In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo transfer completed but no money in bank. So in order to actually fix this problem, this may be because the transfer has completed but you didn't receive any money. So what you can do right here is just need to check the status of the transfer on the Venmo application. If someone sent you the money and it's actually completed on their end but you didn't receive it, ask them to check the status of the transfer. It may take around 30 minutes for the transfer to complete, and it's also best to check the last four digits of the bank or card used for the transfer so you can confirm where the funds were sent. If your transfer shows completed on Venmo, ask them to check their bank statement or contact their bank. This is because instant transfers will appear as original credit transaction or real-time payment, not an ACH or direct deposit. Standard transfers are sent as ACH deposit with the note Venmo-0 cash out and will be backdated up to 2 days earlier on your statement. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.